Red Bull Barako ay 4 na beses sa buong...
Nakaka-9 winning streaks na daw sila. Guys, patibig.
Ba, tumutubo na eh. Kailangan mapagupit na naman siya.
I'll tell you what, the winning streak is pretty, but the mohawk sure is not. Kanya-kanya style yan. Pero hindi na masyadong mohawk
Rich Alvarez. Naghahanap ng baksahan. Nakita sa Cyrus Baguio. Nasa ilalim mo. Walang problema yung mga turnover na gano'n. Talagang hindi makalis sa Red Bull, ano? Kailan pilit nilang iwasan. Pero talagang they're being hounded by those turnovers. 5:57 to go, third quarter. We have a timeout. Semi-final round na po tayo mga kaibigan ng ating Smart Fiesta Conference as you look at Cyrus Baguio cooling his heels sa bench ng Red Bull. At ito na nga po, lumobo na naman ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra, biggest lead of the game as we end the third quarter of play. 22 points ang
at a higher level. Kasi si Ardani, he doesn't look for his shot, he looks to pass.
Of the first half, Baguio uncorks with a TM3. Baguio fires, scores.
Ano, the speed line.
Outside, Baguio. Yes, sir! Pangalawang TM3 na yan for Baguio who now has 9. Here's Baguio. Try to go coast to coast. Oh, that's magic time! Woo!
Ito yung atake ni Cyrus Baguio na hinihintay ng mga Red Bull fans. Boy, he certainly can push up that ball. Hindi na ano nun.
Touch the sky with Cyrus Baguio. Look out, Cyrus Baguio!
Ito na,
Baguio with a steal against Helterbrand.
got it back.
Here's Baguio with a nice move to the basket. That will tip, is intercepted. Here comes Baguio on the move. Baguio all the way for 2. Here's Baguio. Slicing through.
Wala lang makakapagpigil sa kanya.
Baguio, 4-3. Yes, sir! TM3 for and he has 20 big points to lead the way for Red Bull, trying to stay in the game. Salvacion. At ito na, ang pinakamalaking lamang ng Ginebra. 101
First option dito eh. Tagiba forced to give up the foul. Wala pa sa penalty ng Ginebra. Red Bull already in the penalty. Look at the time remaining.
4 minutes to game.
But not sa penalty situation ngayon ng Ginebra.
Here's Baguio for 3.
Oh yes!
This is still, well, Cyrus Baguio. Take a ride on my magic carpet.